Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. Please try again later. Error code 50. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type %temp %. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to click on any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all and just right click on it and select delete it. Select do this for all current items and select skip. After getting done, just to close stuff here, go to search menu and type run again and select open it. Now you just need to type temp. Click on OK to open up. Now you just need to click on any files over here and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all. Just right click on it and select delete it. After that, just to close stuff here, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on where internet connection you are using. I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. Click on OK to save changes and just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to right click on the Steam and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text, and after copying it, in target section you just need to go to the end of these letters and leave a space and paste the text we copied, and now select apply and OK. Now you can open this shortcut and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, you just need to open up Chrome and search Steam and press enter. Select the Steam site. You just need to log into your account guys. After that, select the profile icon and select account details. On left side, you just need to select authorized devices. Scroll down and select remove all credentials. Select proceed. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.